Alliance Gator. Supersand G2 Rapid Set Technology. Made with state-of-the-art manufacturing process, this new generation of intelligent polymers neutralizes haze and dust. No blower is needed, and the intelligent polymeric sand requires only one watering and rain safe after 15 minutes. Supersand G2 is recommended for a variety of uses, ideal for concrete pavers, wet cast products, and natural stone with joints up to 2 inches. Supersand G2 Rapid Set Technology, the cleanest, fastest, and easiest polymeric sand installed in the industry. Supersand G2 offers the trendiest natural colors that last. They are beige and slate gray. In a traditional base system composed of 2 layers, a Gator fabric 4.4 will be laid, followed by a layer of minimum of 6 inches, 15 centimeters crushed stone compacted at 98% proctor density, an upper layer with a maximum of 1 inch, 25 millimeters of bedding sand, and finally, the paver's joints will be filled with Supersand G2. G2 Rapid Set Technology works when you work. It sets above 32 Fahrenheit, 0 Celsius, and rain safe after 15 minutes of water activation. Supersand G2 Simplified 4 easy steps installation. Step 1. Spread G2 with a hard bristle broom. Make sure the G2 completely fills the joints. Leave a layer of G2 on the surface to aid in the vibrating and consolidation of G2 into joints. Step 2. Vibrate the G2 into the paver joints using a vibratory plate compactor. A protective pad is recommended. Compact in several directions to ensure there are no air gaps or voids in the joints. Repeat steps 1 and 2 to ensure joints are filled and consolidated. Step 3. Sweep off excess G2 from the paved surface, first with a hard bristle broom, then a soft bristle broom. Level must be at least 1/8 of an inch, 3 millimeters below the top paver surface, or 1/8 inch, 3 millimeters below the chamfer. For textured or pre-finished surfaces, we recommend to remove all the sand from the paver or slab surfaces prior to using the plate or roller compactor. Step 4. Use a watering gun connected to a garden hose, set to shower. Activate the G2 by showering 30 square feet, 2.8 square meter section for 30 seconds, starting at the lowest point. Supersand G2 Rapid Set Technology, the cleanest, fastest, and easiest polymeric sand installed in the industry. Along with no dust, haze-free, no blower, 1 watering, and rain-safe after 15 minutes. Alliance Gator is the only manufacturer offering a 15-year limited warranty on all their G2 Sand's Rapid Set Technology. To learn more, visit us at alliancegator.com.